Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can export your Lovable project to GitHub. Now this is very simple and it's going to be one of the most useful buttons or integrations because it's going to allow you to do a lot of things with GitHub. So what are you going to do? You're just going to go to your project, the project that you want to deploy or export. And now you're just going to click on this little button here that says view your project on GitHub. Okay, as you can see in here. Now there's going to be a little blue button here that's going to say install or connect. So you have to click on it, and that's going to take you to another window where you're going to have to sign in to your GitHub account. So once you do that, you're going to have to click on basically create a repository or give access, and you're going to be given access to this new repository, which is going to be your website. Okay, all of the files inside your website are going to be here in this GitHub repository, and you can choose to download them as a file, or just import into other wave that actually lets you import GitHub files. Something that you can do as well is you can configure the GitHub import settings, all right? So you can, for example, connect another kind of accounts, and you can also just modify this little, thing in here, or you can see the actual link. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much.